section, dive into social work. Social work is a hands-on profession that strives to help society and its units with their problem. Just like any helping profession, such as nursing and teaching, social work seeks to help people overcome some of life's most difficult challenges. Social workers perform a range of jobs for various kinds of people and groups. For example, a child welfare social worker or case worker will spend every day dealing with foster children, bio parents, and the juvenile courts as well. Social work also emphasizes and concentrates on an individual's strength because it draws from the thought that all individuals have strengths and resources, and the social worker's role is to help build upon a person's skill and support system. A social worker engages with a range of units in the society. He or she serves people, young and old, from every walk of life, in a number of settings such as hospitals, schools, neighborhoods, and community organizations. Social work involves professionals with families, couples, groups, organizations, and communities. In short, social work is dedicated to the pursuit of social justice through direct services and through advocacy on the local, national, and global levels. Let us now talk about what are the various areas of work under social work as a discipline. Social workers conduct research, advocate for improved services, engage in system design, or are involved in planning or policy development. Many social workers specialize in serving a particular population or working in a specific setting. Social workers also assist families that have serious domestic conflicts, sometimes involving child or spousal abuse. The major areas and roles in which social workers have seen themselves mostly involved are administration and management, aging and geriatrics, justice, legal issues and advocacy, child welfare, developmental disabilities, healthcare, mental and clinical health, substance abuse, occupational assistance, public welfare, human rights. Let's check out the subject requirements for students of grade 12. There is no specific subject requirement to study social work, though it does not mandate any prerequisite subjects. Studying sociology, languages, and psychology at the higher secondary level definitely helps the students in understanding the subject better. For this reason, most of the students who aspire to have a career in social work take up the humanities stream in grade 12. This kind of subject choice works well for admissions to colleges and universities in India as well as abroad. Let's take a look at the degrees offered in social work. Bachelor of Arts in Social Work is the most popular degree offered in the field. This course is mainly offered as a BA Psychology degree, with a few colleges offering a BA in Sociology. Generally, the graduate degree programs are for 3 years. Some students may choose to study sociology major as a part of the liberal arts program as well. PhD in social work is a 2-year duration course. Candidates who have a master's degree in social work are eligible to apply for a PhD. Let's take a look at the specialization offered. A career in social work, as indicated, has varied fields to offer scope to a student. Specialization permits social workers to acquire understanding and information in their field of interest and perhaps build their odds for this field. For instance, many school social work positions frequently require explicit education and experience with a school setting. Regular areas of specialization include clinical school, gerontological, and child and family social work. Other major areas of specializations are human resource management, personnel management, criminology and correction administration, family and child care, urban and rural community development, industrial relation and labor welfare, etc. These specialization options are mostly available at the master's level of study. However, the students who pursue a bachelor in social work will be introduced to most of these specializations during the course itself. This also helps the student in choosing the final specialization option for the masters. Let's look at some of the top colleges in India. TISS, Tata Institute of Social Science, Devi Ahalya Vishwavidyalaya, Amity University, Institute of Language Studies and Applied Social Science, National Institute of Social Work and Social Sciences are some of the examples. Some top colleges around the world to study social work are in USA, New York University, New York, University of Wisconsin-Madison, University of Texas. The average yearly fee for social work related course is approximately $50,000. In UK, University of Edinburgh, University of Nottingham, University of Stirling are few examples. The average yearly fee for social work related courses is approximately £22,000 to £28,000. In Canada, Ryerson University, University of Waterloo and Carleton University are some of the examples. The average yearly fee for social work related courses is approximately $15,000 to $30,000 Canadian dollars. In Australia, Victoria University, University of Sydney and Deakin University. The average yearly fee for social work related courses is approximately $38,000 to $42,000 Australian dollars. Moving on to the admission process and timeline. Students who wish to study abroad should aim at starting the application process at least a year before they plan to start the course. Before starting with the application, the students must make sure that they have completed all the requirements for the application process, such as standardized test, English language proficiency test, etc. Let's talk about higher education in social work. Students at the bachelor level get to complete a 3-year course in social work. However, to be able to get into work with proper specialization, it is highly recommended that the student take a master's degree. The student will get an MA in social work or master's in social work after the bachelor's course. Beyond that, the student can also go for an MPhil degree or else for a research degree, that is a PhD as well. Now, what are the career opportunities? A career path in social work offers diverse opportunities and is very versatile. The aspirants can have careers in various fields and essay their role as a clinical social worker or a psychiatric social worker, child and family social worker, healthcare social worker, etc. Apart from that, social workers have a great requirement in the area of education, community upliftment, human rights, public health, public policy, environment, etc. Another point to note is that the scope of social work is not limited to working in NGOs, but it opens up various positions at administrative, management and policy planning positions in various government as well as private companies. The opportunities in various sectors can vary depending upon the student's specialization at the master's level. What skills do social workers need? Social work can be intellectually and physically and emotionally exhausting. Social workers regularly have an overwhelming caseload with constrained time and assets. To be able to dispose of their duties in the right manner, these professionals must be empathetic, merciful, yet firm and confident when managing non-receptive or hostile customers. They should have an incredible assorted variety of compassion and rational aptitudes, since they will connect with customers from every possible foundation. To be able to successfully support customers, social workers must have first-rate authoritative critical thinking, problem solving and time management aptitudes. Most importantly, social workers must realize how to appropriately deal with themselves so as to keep away from burnout and stress exhaustion of their profession. That's all for this section, deep dive into social work. For more information about admission process, deadlines, career opportunities, pros and cons of the career, please refer to the reading material. See you soon in the next section.